sweating. It is so hot in here, y'all. Goodness gracious.
I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm going to be reviewing this Kinky straight unit from Sogoodhair. And this is actually my first yaki textured wig that I've ever owned before, so this is going to be something new for me. But I honestly love it because it kind of reminds me of relaxed hair. What I will say is that they also tinted the lace for you, so you don't have to actually do it yourself. You still have to bleach the knots though if you want it to be super realistic looking, but they do already lightly bleach them. But I'm going to bleach them further. I'm going to be super gentle with it. I'm going to be using a 30 volume developer, and I'm probably only going to be leaving it on for about 20 minutes, but I also check on it very often just to make sure that it doesn't bleach the actual hair. So this is what it's looking like. I had to go back in and use a Q-tip on certain parts to make sure that it looks realistic, and this is my outcome. After that's done, I'm going to go in and do the baby hairs. I'm just using a razor here, and it's really easy. I just take a few hairs and I just cut them off. That's pretty much it. After I do that, I'm going to go into straightening this whole unit. And after the straightening is done, I already put on my Got To Be Glued freeze spray, so it's already glued to my head pretty much. And now I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be Glued gel just to lay down the edges really quick. It's super easy. I just use an edge control brush and brush everything back. I usually put it in some clips too, but I already have an elastic band sewn in the back, so that's even more security for me. I just prefer to do that myself. And that's pretty much it.
I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop.
Oh my god, you guys, okay, so I only literally have like 45 minutes to film 2 videos, and luckily I've been working on this video for most of today. I just straightened this wig from Sogoodhair, and they sent me a super long 22-inch kinky straight unit. It's 150% for the density, and I already went in and obviously I straightened the hair. I showed you guys how it looks on me before I straighten it, but I really wanted to see how it would look after it's straightened, and it's so thick and it's so long. It actually goes a lot longer than 22 inches. It definitely goes to my waist, but this just looks like how my hair used to look when my hair was relaxed. And I used to have pretty long relaxed hair. I gotta fix this. Man, this just looks so good. I like the volume that it has. I don't think it's super like flat looking. I like how it has texture. While it's straight. It was a lot to straighten it. I think it took me around 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna actually test it out and see how it lasts throughout the day, if it gets kind of wet, if I get sweaty, you know, because it is hot outside. Cute. And I really missed this just long straight hair look, and I like how it just has the perfect amount of volume that I personally need, and it's super soft. Like I can just run my fingers through it. Closer to the roots, it's more wavy. You get like a more wavy texture to it. But when you don't straighten this hair, when you just like leave it kinky, it's actually like 180 to 200%. That's what it kind of feels like. So you just kind of have to see what type of style you like the best. And I also went in, when I was bleaching these knots, I was not playing around. Like I had to bleach it once, and then I went in again and I got a Q-tip and I just kind of put more bleach on those knots that I could see in the front. So that's why you don't see literally anything. Like I'll zoom in for y'all so I can take a look at this. That's why it's really hard to see anything in the front. Like all this is just bleached. I made sure I was more detailed on this unit, of course. I think I'm getting better at bleaching knots in general. And just look how soft this hair is. Scoot back for y'all so y'all can see this. Because this is the 22 inches. I did cut a little bit of it, but that's how it's looking. But yeah, I got this hair also really fast. I was actually thinking that they were gonna send it on Friday, and I sent them the email yesterday and they were like, oh, we're sending it out tomorrow, and it's already here today. So it only took a day for them to ship it to me, I'm assuming. Either a day or two. It was really, really quick because I was wondering like, when is it gonna be ready? But after they shipped it, it got here real quick. Okay, so it's gonna be $227 for this super long unit. Oh, I also wanted to say that they did tint the lace because it has like a medium tone brown tint to it. It says that the knots are lightly bleached to avoid shedding. So I went in and did it and I was good, but I've been bleaching knots for a long time now, so I know how to do it carefully. And I don't leave the bleach on for too long, and I also used a 30 volume developer this time around. But yeah, it says it's 100% human hair without chemical processing. I went ahead and I cut a little bit, or I trimmed the front so that it kind of frames my face better. But yeah, all in all, I really, really like this hair. It's super beautiful. It's very, very flowy, very thick. So there is a lot of hair, but it doesn't feel heavy. And I've had straight hair wigs without the texture to it feel a lot heavier than this. So I don't know how that's possible, but it's just very, very, very nice. Or even when I like straighten my hair, like my natural hair, this is how it turns out as far as the texture as well. So I'm sweating. It is so hot in here, y'all. Goodness gracious. That's it for the video. Thank you to Sogoodhair for sending me this awesome unit. I hope that you guys liked how I customized it, all that good stuff on camera. I will talk to you later. We also just hit 50,000 subscribers the other day, so thank you so much for that. And I will talk to y'all later. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this wig down below in the description box and go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, bye.